Hi guys, in my app I have this list, which is reorderable, and at the same time each item can be dismissed. I can swipe right or swipe left, and then at the end of my swipe it tells me do I really want to remove the song. If I cancel, the item goes back there, and if I confirm, then it's gone. So how did I do this? This is in Flutter. Here's the secret. Okay, so this is a reorderable list. Okay, so from the reorderable list, let me add some other items. This is on my actual smartphone, by the way. Let me add some other items. Let's say, let's just add 2 items there. Okay, we have a duplicate here, so we're gonna remove that one like what we did before. So what I did here is, here's the secret. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, so this is a reorderable list view. Reorderable list view, okay? So inside the reorderable list view, we usually just have a list tile. So these are all list tiles, and if I just had these 2 widgets, list tiles inside reorderable list views, by the way, there is a loop here to display multiple items. So from there I can just drag and drop items, and they get reordered. But this is from the database, so you need to implement this on reorder function. Okay, you get the old index, the new index, and then you work your way from there. This is using a stream builder, so we talk about that later. So how about the dismissible feature? Okay, so to do that, we just wrap the list tile inside a dismissible widget, and we add a key, and we implement the function on dismissed. And to have this confirmation here, you just need to add the method confirm dismiss. You just open this pop-up here and return true if they have confirmed, and return false if they have cancelled. And that's how you do it. Bye.